Sugar. Akoba.
Yeah.
Bibi aboko.
But bibi aboko.
Nah, maybe Sabibi. When we talk of nudity, I want to know, say, Adena all the time. Say, if you go on your page on Instagram, all that we see is Sugar abo naked, or what's on it, or what's on enofo, or yet that kind of nyamano. First of all, person me who say, so nudity no, attractive. What should I say? Would it be attracting a mema to you, Anna?
Okay. First of all, but person with that, my makeup artist, my hairstylist. My makeup is by Minalin Touch, and then my hair is by Cute Cuts Hair.
Okay.
No, Cute Cuts Parlor on Instagram.
Okay, sure.
So kindly check them out. First of all, what I'm doing is business. It's show business.
I see.
And you said I got nudes to get people to come to meet because I'm on my family and my mother.
Okay.
Some of them are paid, some of them are not paid.
Okay.
Nude namiro. I do it to promote myself, and I do it because I'm comfortable in my skin. I love my skin. I love my body. It's not me.
Okay, it's not just a brand in nudity.
It's not necessarily nudity, but I'm proud of my body. So
okay, so you just want to expose. But say
oh, sometimes I do that to promote my page.
Okay.
Yes.
Sure.
Sometimes I'll just remove one bump.
Not good. Nice. Yes. 100,000. That's super.
Yes, my kind of nude is not showing. Excuse me to say the pussy.
Oh, this is Abugyen. You are free to say pussy. Abugyen. Yes.
Okay. So I don't just take pictures. No. I take it to promote my brand and myself.
Okay.
And then nudity has gotten me to where I am today.
Where you are. Nude ni dear, ebusia crew a woman dear. Abugyen so a sex program. And tell me nudity. Actually, up and same. And first of all, maybe South say, you home or breast in a nudity now exposing. Have you faced any like harassment from Mbema? From Mbema. So I don't know. So that's maybe you'll be beat now. How do you feel? Mbema how?
Oh, Mbema, there's all your bank card.
So then we're talking about nudity. Now you be say first, maybe I'll say, can nudity attract sex?
If I'm a bit, it can. If I'm a bit, it cannot.
Okay, explain.
Depending how I will be exposed.
Okay.
So, I'm gonna be nude.
Coffee.
The garden and coffee will follow me. Hey, do you have a?
It is audience and our corner. Hey, our corner selection. Hey,
Oboha. Picture. You're like just like that.
Just like that. No attitude.
But yeah, you should be a teaser. Also, you need this. You should be a teaser. You shouldn't be like just showing everything.
Okay.
So, shouldn't just be like, oh, God, I know what I'm doing. As we you to know, as we you know for no, that's that kind of pictures.
Okay, and since our picture and maybe say, Abugyen so and your topic in here, can nudity attract sex?
And I'm just say it depends.
So it depends. You need to explain. Yes, and I notice. So yes or no? Say in which way?
Yes, need we are obey your
home.
So, if I say we are no partner with them.
Okay.
And yes, they want to see you in a G-string.
Okay.
A G-string or something sexy, a lingerie that is very sexy.
Okay.
I have confusing with lingerie and bikini. Bikini is what we use in swimming.
Yes.
So lingerie is what you wear under your dress or what you wear to sleep. And either some G-string and a bra, or you wear up and down.
Okay.
Like the same color.
Like the same color. That's just it. Yeah,
with my lingerie straight up to your knee. I be a pie hanging.
Okay.
And I pie hanging.
Okay.
Depending on how you present yourself to the person.
Okay.
Because the more I will not be the two be. You know you're saying anything.
Okay.
You said that why something else when just shut down, said the shaming you.
Okay.
Why something that would attract him. Or some road be. should be a bit more like a G-string.
Okay, bibi obetimi avro.
Yes.
Na say mu bedi mo ho a adwuma ne ba bibi a
Yes.
obetimi aso.
Yes, something that is sexy, not just like a gown, no.
Okay.
Bola Vista.
Okay. Okay. It's working for us.
Hey, and it's been nice,
That's working. Hey. Sweat for us. Let's go. Sweat for us. Oh, you can never